All right, we are extending the underground electric right here. We'll start digging. Let's get busy. "32 inches deep, exactly. And that's what we wanted. Yeah, it's got a rope in there, so we'll attach to this and carry it on all the way halfway down that side. So if you go back a couple of months, you'll see we installed this 200 amp RV pole for their RV, and we ended up putting a basin and a pump in to pump it up to the septic, which is over there. Yeah, so that way they can live here while their house is being put together. This is I guess it's a modular slash mobile, because they did bring it up on wheels. Of course, they took the axles with them, but it is a beast, and it is absolutely beautiful inside. We'll do a video of it before we finish this job for sure. Well, looky here, folks. So we hit our sewer pump line. Yes. I thought it was over here a little bit, but when I hit that soft ground, I knew I had got into the ditch, but it was too late. I hit it and ripped it apart. So we've got to repair that before we can move on. All right, so it is the landowner's responsibility to run the electrical all the way to the home, which the people that own this land did not know that. They had to stop it. They had us stop it right here. But we're going to extend it on. That's our rope coming out. We're going to attach it to another rope, and yeah, hopefully that'll work. But I'm going to clean out around there so that we can run our conduit. And it is raining, so we'll see what happens. We'll see how far we get. Oh, here comes the rain. That ain't gonna be good. I got this. Well, there's one thing we'll do. Well, an absolute muddy mess here today and very noisy. So they are installing a garage, a metal garage, back yonder way. And it's so loud. But man, are they fast, and man, they do a good job. It's the same people that installed this one, and they're out of North Carolina, and they do awesome. But as you can see, we're pretty well stopped on our electrical ditch. We're waiting on the electrical engineer to come and inspect our ditch and tell us exactly where to bring the conduit up. But in the meantime, I'm going to replace a pipe. It's not a pipe we put in. It's a pipe that the house company put in. And we installed this septic tank, and we stubbed it up about right in here, and that was so they could attach to it and bring it up under the footer into the house area, up under the house. Well, somewhere along the way, their pipe got pushed down, so it is slanted down towards the house. I don't know if that's how they installed it or if somebody ran over it, because they have had bulldozers running over this area, small ones, but still machines running over this area, and that's a plastic septic tank. So yeah, we could have issues. It doesn't look like it. Nothing's caved in, but this was caved in right here. And the pipe is definitely going downhill towards the house. Folks, poop don't flow uphill. It's got to go downhill. So I believe our pipe is fine, and I believe it just starts from here and goes downhill that way. We're going to replace that today. Well, at least we're going to dig it out, and you can watch me hand dig in the mucky mud. I've got to dig up under the footer, dig out just a little up under the house, and we're going to replace that pipe. I don't know if I have the stuff to replace it today, but I'm going to at least dig it out. It is a muddy mess, and you can see my My ditch is about to give way here. See the crack in the ditch? Oh, she's about to fall apart. And so I've got to be careful. Yeah, we'll see. As you can see, I'm digging under the footer and down from the top of that clean out. So, yeah, we got to do what we got to do. All right, none of it's glued. You see how they came apart right there? No glue whatsoever, so they didn't glue any of this. Oh, mercy. So it's probably not glued to that, or it might be. I was just able to raise it up, but either way, the glue is busted. So we'll have to take it off, clean it up, put it all back together. I believe I do have enough clearance where I can raise that pipe up, put it just under the footer. If not, I'll cut that footer out tomorrow and put the pipe in and re-poured that section of the footer. We're going to have to do that anyway wherever the electric comes up. It is a mess here today, folks. Rain, rain. That's all we've had. Oh well, you can see what we did. All we have to do is just put a long sweep 90 on it and bring it up, cap it off for them. But that's it. Pop that in there. Battery's low, so I didn't record it. Good as new. She got the proper slope. Everything's good. All right, we are finished. As you can see, it was tough, all this chipping, but we got her done and got the rope in there. Yeah, so she's ready to roll. And yeah, I mean, this is it. We really couldn't put it anywhere else. Our septic tank is right here, and we can't get enough curve in the pipe to come back and hit it and put it over here where we actually wanted to put it. It's impossible. So this is it. We're going to cover it up with dirt, so we'll put a foot or two, we'll put about a foot or foot and a half of dirt in there, then we'll put this caution tape, and then we'll cover it up the rest of the way.